The executive branch of the U.S. government is responsible for carrying out and enforcing the laws made by Congress. It is headed by the President, who is the head of state and government. The executive branch also includes the Vice President, the President's Cabinet, 15 executive departments, and numerous federal agencies, boards, commissions, and committees. Executive departments. The executive departments are the administrative arms of the President. These are currently 15 executive departments, each headed by a secretary who is appointed by the President and confirmed by the state. Here is a list of the executive departments and their secretary. First is the Department of Agriculture, Tom Vilsack, and Department of Commerce, the secretary is Gina Raimondo. And the next is Department of Defense, Lloyd Austin. And the Department of Education is Miguel Cardena. And the Department of Energy, Jennifer Granholm. Department of Health and Human Services, Xavier Becerra. Department of Homeland Security, Alejandro Mayorkas. Department of Housing and Urban Development, Marcia Fudge. Department of the Interior, Deb Haaland. Department of Labor, Marty Walsh. Department of State, Anthony Blinken. Department of Transportation, Pete Buttigieg. Department of the Treasury, Janet Yellen. Department of Veterans Affairs, Dennis McDonough. The Cabinet is an advisory body to the President, consisting of the Vice President and the Board of the Executive Department. The Cabinet meets with the President to discuss important issues and provides advice. The Executive Office of the President, or EOP, consists of offices and agencies that support the President's works. Key components of the EOP includes the White House Office, the National Security Council, and the Office of Management and Budget. These entities play crucial roles in the implementing and regulating public policy. To the Executive Department and the EOP, or the Executive Office of the President, these are many other important offices within the executive branch. First is the Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA. Second is Office of Science and Technology Policy. Next is Small Business Administration. And the last is Council of Economic Advisors.